How to change logo link to a custom URL. So before we start, check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by experts with years of experience. To choose your one, click the links in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, we need to head over to the plugin section and tap on add new plugin. Once you tap on this, you just need to head over to the search bar and simply search for this particular plugin and tap on the install now button. Once you do so, you just need to wait a couple of seconds and then tap on this activate button. Once you have activated this particular plugin, you just need to open it up. So in the plugins, you just need to find the custom logo link and tap on the settings, and this will take you to this page where you can now customize the particular link. As you can see, it has redirected me directly to the URL. You have to also make sure that this particular plugin is supported by your theme. I am using Astra, so I can simply paste the particular link of my page. So let's say you want your customers, whenever they click on the logo of your website, they will taken to the account or contact section. So you just need to go to the my accounts or any other particular page of your website and copy the URL of it. Go back and paste the URL, and also you can go with the open link in a new window. This will be much easier and convenient way for your customers, and tap on the publish icon. Once you do so, you just need to refresh your website now and see if it is working or not. As you can see, I am on my site. So if I tap on the particular logo icon, and this will take me directly to that particular page that I have pasted the URL for. And right now the website is not fully functional. So this has taken me directly to my account section, as you can see on the top. So that was the process of how you can change logo link to a custom URL.